Hello kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, you are warmly welcome. I am Grace. I believe by the special grace of God, you all are doing amazingly good. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I make my bell pepper sauce. Bell pepper sauce is a versatile sauce. I call it a versatile sauce. Why? Because it has a lot of uses. I use it in so many ways. I use this sauce as a marinade. I use it in my tomato stews. I use it in my okra stew. I use it in my garden egg stew. Like anything stew, I use the sauce in it. Yes, I also use this sauce in my fried rice. I use it as a dip. This bell pepper sauce has endless use. Like I use it in a lot of recipes. So without much ado, let me introduce to you my ingredients and let's get started. So I have here some red bell peppers. It's about 13 pieces. I am pretty sure it's between 12 or 13. Yeah, and I also have some onions, garlic, ginger. I'll be adding some spices. That's coriander seed, black peppercorns, vegetable seasoning, dried rosemary, curry powder, curry leaves, star anise. For heat, I'll be using bird eye chilies and some scotch bonnet peppers. So first of all, I'll wash my bell peppers. As you can see, I've washed it nicely. I'll put it on the side. Into a pot goes my oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any oil that you have available. While I leave my oil to heat up, in a blender goes my chopped garlic, onion and ginger. Now my blender is too small to contain everything at a go, and so I'll blend it twice. So this is the first batch. I will not use water. I'll blend those without using water, and so I'll use the pulse button on my blender. If today is your first time stopping by, you are welcome. I am Grace. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. This way, you will not miss an upload from me. Thank you for supporting my channel. And to all my subscribers and viewers, I am very grateful for your support. In goes my vegetable seasoning, and that's 1 tablespoon. I'll add in another tablespoon. In total, I'm using 2 tablespoons of vegetable seasoning. I want to say a very big thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos every now and then. I am thankful for your support. Now into the oil goes my blended aromatics. I'll save some and use this to blend the second batch because I really struggled with blending the first batch without water. Now I'll go in with my curry powder and curry leaves. Now I'm blending the second batch. I'll use this opportunity to say thank you all for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for sharing my videos with your family and friends. And if you are not sharing my videos with your family and friends, please do so. Thank you. Now in goes my habanero pepper or scotch bonnet pepper and the bird eye chilies. I'll blend this to the consistency that I'm looking for, and I'll pour it into the pot. I'm adding in my other aromatics. That's the star anise, coriander seeds, black pepper. Yes, remember the vegetable seasoning went in when I was blending the first batch, and now I went in with my dried rosemary. Yep. Now I'll go in with the red bell peppers. The red bell pepper is a lot, and that also I think I blended it in 3 batches, like 3 times. I'll pour it into the base of the stew, like I'll save some, and with that I'll use that as my base or as my liquid or water to blend the remaining bell peppers. This is the very last batch. And I'm done with the blending. Now I will stir this. I'll give it a very good stir. Cover it partially and leave it to cook on a medium heat. So it's been like 30 minutes of cooking. I'll keep cooking it until I get a thick paste or a thick consistency. Now, kings and queens, thank you so much for supporting what I'm doing. Thank you for sharing my videos with your family and friends. If you are here watching and you have not yet subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. This way, anytime I upload a video, you will be first to get notified. Thank you. And it's been 1 hour of cooking my bell pepper sauce, and this is how it is looking. It tastes wonderfully good, and the aroma is just everything. All right, so at this point I will leave this to sit on my countertop so it comes to a complete cool, and then I will store this in my food storage container. Always make sure to sterilize your food storage containers before you put whatever you are freezing in. I'll keep this in my fridge and freezer and use it whenever the need arises. Thank you so much for sticking with me till this far. I am thankful for your support. Until I come your way with something delicious, something yummy, something finger-licking, something mouth-watering, stay safe, stay out of trouble, be true to yourself, and remember that life's greatest lessons are usually learned at the worst times and from the worst mistakes. I will see you again in my next one. Bye-bye.